Bachata! Yes! Bachata box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachata. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's draw our Indian flag together, our pride. Make 3 blocks in the descending order, largest to smallest as if stacked on top of the other. India is our home, our country. It is a place which celebrates different colorful festivals, the most abundant land with diverse crops, different foods and scenic views to enjoy. Now make a single tall standing line just like this. We have just drawn the flag stand. A majority of the citizens make us proud with their significant contribution as nation leaders, freedom fighters, sportsmen, teachers, astronauts, army men and Indian space personnel among others. Now let's draw 4 parallel wavy lines as if the fabric of the flag has visible ripples due to the wind. Join it vertically on the end. Good job! Make the Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes, which means that the nation must progress during all 24 hours in a day. A wheel of continuous motion and unity. Color. Do you know the tricolor of the Indian flag carries a deep meaning? Orange or saffron represents sacrifice and strength. White stands for truth and peace. Green depicts the abundance of crops, wildlife and growth. Blue for the Ashoka Chakra, the wheel of duties and progress. Amazing work! Share this Indian flag drawing with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachata Box. Happy hours for kids.